I browsed 8 sites for divorce attorneys today. I browsed 8 sites for divorce attorneys today.
I love working with you.
Me too.
Red heart emoji.
Blue heart emoji.
I hate Levo.
Puke emoji.
Puke emoji.
My home is in 1,000 feet.
I've only walked 598 steps today.
My login for everything is Pauline@paulinefood.com.
My heart rate is 100, 101, 102, 107.
Today, I am thrilled to share with you the newest iPhone.
Tripping on.
Is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design. To tell you all about iPhone 11, I'd like to invite Cayenne to the stage. Cayenne?
Thank you, Tim. The innovations in iPhone 11 are truly remarkable, and that starts with the design. iPhone 11 has a beautiful anodized aluminum and glass design. And that glass, it's the toughest ever in a smartphone, on the front and back. And the glass that surrounds the camera has a sculpted 3D geometry, and it was precision milled down from a single piece of glass to achieve this elegant look. iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red.
Before you take that picture, wait. Light's a little dim. Is your phone's camera good enough to impress her? And her friends?
Aw, so cute.
Make some jealous. And make her ex feel like this. Is it? Oh, it's iPhone 11 with night mode. It's not just good, it's amazing.
Today we're evaluating the waterproof phone is iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 is not much different in design from the iPhone XR. It is still an aluminum alloy frame with front and rear glass panels, but only the back. Double camera design, but the shape of the dual camera module follows the style of Yuba. In terms of appearance and material design, Apple said it uses black technology to make more hard glass, not high-tech, but molecular level. It is by far the strongest glass panel on the iPhone. The upgrade of this process also makes the iPhone 11 the most waterproof iPhone. The official data is to support the IP68 waterproof level, which can maintain a depth of 2 meters for 30 minutes. In the first step, I took some drops of water on the screen of the iPhone 11, and the screen couldn't isolate all the water. After the move, there was still a small drop of water. When anti-sputtering, you can see that the iPhone 11 is full of water drops, but it does not affect its touch sensitivity. In the drenching experiment, although we didn't want to see the new iPhone 11 in the water, we had to pour it into the water and slide it. Fortunately, these experiments were not affected at all.